Hi, I'm Marino. I'm the gardener here at Carmel Valley Ranch at our 2-acre organic garden and orchard. We have about 2 acres of garden beds, mixed herbs, flowers, and vegetables, and another acre of heirloom fruit trees, including our chickens and our medicinal herb garden also. We're growing anything that you can under the sun because our climate here at Carmel Valley Ranch is so perfect. We have everything from tomatoes to asparagus and all the different fun stuff in between. Well, I've always loved gardening, and I was the geeky kid that got the seeds out of the cereal box when I was younger, and they actually grew into big plants, so I knew that that was something that I could find interest in. My favorite part about what I do is nurturing baby little plants into these beautiful representations that you can see all around here of flowers, herbs, and vegetables. I think there's 3 things that you really have to have. You have to have water and good soil and mindfulness. A lot of it's just paying attention. The top question is, what can I grow where I live? And so we have people at Carmel Valley Ranch from all over the world, and luckily in my old job I was traveling in quite a few places in the world, so I have some experience there, and I just try to guide them on to the 3 plants that I know will do well in their area, and they can start with that, and if they want to extrapolate into more difficult things, they've got my phone number.